Hey there, this is Dave for the third video of today, third video on YouTube, other than the first two I did. Well, this is part two to the second whoa, to the other video, taking apart the iPod. This is a 30 gig fourth generation. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, date says 2005 on it. That's a long time ago. Yeah, just took out the battery. This is the battery actually, and took out the headphone jack and hold button, hold switch. Now putting it back in after you've cleaned everything up, which it's gonna be very dirty. I just usually use my shirt, which is not that clean, but yeah. Yeah, check out my videos. Like I said, I'm new to this. Don't usually do this, but figured, you know what? There's one life I'm living, so might as well make some YouTube videos like everybody else and have some fun with it. Alright, so that's nice and fairly clean. You can polish it, do whatever you want to it. Of course, I'm not holding you back. But after you get the new battery, and after you get the new headphone jack, I'm just going to put the old one in because I don't have the new one yet. Um, let me see. See, it's hard doing this on a laptop, but I can still do it. Yeah. It's this side. Anyway, this butts right into the corner, just like so. And you can see it right there. Then this comes in and fits in there again, and you screw it in. I'm gonna keep the screws out because I'm waiting on the actual battery and all the things I ordered for it to come in. And you know what? I might actually just put this old battery in because it still had some juice on it. See if I can get it to work again. It will. And I suggest getting some needle nose pliers for these little screws. They are pitch. Damn. Yeah. Putting these screws back, since they're so small, is fairly hard to do. Very hard to do. So I'm gonna skip on that. But putting the battery back in, when you get the battery, it will come with new adhesive, so you don't have to worry about that. Now it slides right in. You want to pack it up as far as you can. Don't damage the battery any. Um, Not sure whether this battery is charged at the moment. Even if it is, it won't last that long. Um, and then what I suggest to do next is to hook up the little side port first, the uh, the headphone jack first. That is definitely the hardest to put in. Um, lay this down, hold this over on its back, and also it is kind of hard to mess this up. This is very easy to do, so be confident. After you get this side one in, now you put in. Don't let these little cables, little strip cables, just don't let them bend too much. But after you get that side one in, you press in the back one. It should go in pretty easily. And then, ooh, yeah, press your battery in, put it back together. Should go back together pretty easily. Unless you mess up the little side things. They have the holders on the side. Let's see if this thing works. Yep, I didn't charge the battery. Oh, actually, it's turning on without me plugging it in. Yep, there you go. That's a safe change out into the new battery. Um, it still should be playing in one ear since I haven't changed out the headphone jack, but let's test it anyway. Yep. So there you have it. Ipod battery slash headphone jack replacement. It's very easy to do, um, just like this e-cigarette, and I would suggest doing it instead of having your iPod sent in and instead of spending, how long did that take me? 15 minutes on changing out the iPod, out everything in the iPod. It would take a couple days to get it back from the iPod company, and you would have to spend $100. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. All right, thank you.